Hi everyone, my name is Duncan and we are back again at our lovely peaceful site in Ripley, Derbyshire, where we have a great variety of 4 and 5 bedroom new build homes. Today we are looking at the fabulous Bromford, which is a beautiful large 4 bedroom house currently on the market for £435,000. A very spacious plot, this one. All Langridge Homes houses, whether 1 bed or 5 bed, have off-road parking and burglar alarm as standard. Looking at the driveway, I think you could get more than 2 cars on there actually. So as we enter the home, you will see the flooring is yet to be fitted, customer choice of course. On the right here we have a small study or office, something often requested by customers, especially with more people working from home these days. Apologies if you see various bits and bobs dotted around, we still have workmen coming in and out at the moment. Okay, so let's move through towards the kitchen diner, but before we get there we can see the stairs on the right and an understairs cupboard. Then on the left is the lounge, and a very nicely sized lounge it is too. Dimensions here coming in at 4.6 metres by 3.6 metres. Sometimes houses with internal access to a garage, which this house has, have more of a medium sized lounge, but this lounge is a great size. Moving on to the kitchen dining room. You can immediately see the French doors which lead to the patio and lovely sized garden. Kitchen on the left, and as is the case with all Langridge homes, even the standard specifications are always at a high level. Spotlights to the kitchen as an included extra there. We'll take a look at the kitchen specifications in a moment, but let's just have a quick peek at the garden, for which I think the turfing is nearly completed. Plenty of room for a shed and trampoline, which often tend to appear, but there's all sorts that can be done with a space like this. So the utility room is just on the left there, which we'll see in a moment, but the kitchen diner is coming in at 4.95 metres by 4.05 metres. This is the view from the kitchen side. Again, spotlights to that side of the room included. The kitchen is not yet fully fitted. The 5-ring gas hob there will have the respective hood and splashback. Plinth lighting can also be available. I can show you one from another property here. There's the hob. So back to the Bromford, plenty of electrical sockets there, also with USB sockets and under unit lighting. The lovely composite sink is also an included extra. Indesit dishwasher as standard. The double oven there is an included extra, as is the fridge freezer, both high quality brands that we've found very reliable over the years. A nice view out of the window. Okay, let's take a quick look at the utility room. You can access the garage and get directly into the garden from this room. Spaces for washing machine and dryer. Note again the high quality composite sink there. Let's take a quick peek at the garage, and as I've mentioned before, people often use garages for all sorts of things other than their car, and with so much off-road parking available with the properties, it's a very useful space. Okay, out of the utility and the kitchen and back into the hall, where we can take a look at the downstairs WC. This is very smart, with a lovely vanity unit sink, splashback and mirror with premium chrome towel rail. Those vanity units are a real touch of quality, very nice. Moving onwards and upwards to see what is going on upstairs. Firstly, I just wanted to show you the extra cylinder. something Langridge offer in many properties, which enables water to be delivered at around 22 litres per minute rather than the standard rate of around 12 litres per minute. Okay, let's move into the master bedroom and ensuite, and this is a little bit special. Dimensions come in at 5.1 metres by 3.5 metres, which is a great size and has lots of light, but those dimensions do not include the lovely dressing room, which you can see there, or walk-in wardrobe if you prefer, which gives a real feel of luxury. It was even suggested you could put a cot in there if there was a very new addition to the family. Let's see what's going on through the window. Pretty quiet. Let's come out of the dressing room and look at the room from this angle. Ensuite at the end there, so we'll mosey across to have a look at that. Premium chrome towel rail with full height tiling to the wet walls there, and another lovely vanity unit sink. Obviously full height tiling for the shower cubicle, and another included extra with the dual shower heads. Coming out of the ensuite, you might notice the spotlight lighting. So overall, everything you might need there. Moving on to bedroom 2, another very nice sized room. Dimensions coming in at 3.5 metres by 3.45 metres. Good wardrobe space there. Into bedroom 3, another double room here. Dimensions coming in at 3.9 metres by 2.5 metres. Great window size. Let's see what's going on outside. Again, good wardrobe space. Okay, let's look at the last bedroom, bedroom 4, which is also a double room and also has wardrobes. Dimensions coming in at 3.55 metres by 2.5 metres. Plenty of room for a large bed. And great window sizes again. Moving on to the bathroom, and again great specifications here. Full height tiling to all the wet walls, and of course this will all look fab with the flooring down. Another lovely vanity unit sink, light fitting and mirror to be fitted there. Premium chrome towel rail and dual shower heads as another included extra. Okay, let's move back downstairs and take a look outside, and we will exit through the kitchen and into the utility and out via the side door. And this is a lovely sized garden with a great view into the distance. Just finalising some of the turfing there. Oh, and an outside power point there. Langridge always have a patio area as standard, and as you can see there is a lot of sky to be seen with this view. And there is of course the greenway very nearby, which is a great nature walk. Let's take a quick look at the gated side entrance. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed the house tour. If you have any inquiries or would like to view any houses, do contact us at sales@langridgehomes.com and take a look at our website, langridgehomes.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all our house tours and updates. Thanks for watching and see you soon.